nyo ba kung ano to?
Okay, guys.
Isa itong uri ng uod sa Thailand. At first time kong makakakain ng uod. Isa lang yan sa mga mararanasan ko dito sa Thailand bilang first time. Ang goal ko ngayon ay maka-experience ng Ang goal ko ngayon ay maka-experience ng maraming first time dito sa Thailand.
Getting drunk from 7 to 3. Overindulged in flesh like it's free. We're on a fast road.
First time namin dito sa Thailand! Yay!
Umpisahan na natin ang aking first time sa... So guys, first time kong mami-makeup and this is my first time to... Uy! This is my first time to, not Filipino doing my hair and makeup. So I'm very excited. Galing ko doon, inaral ko yung kagabi. So, titignan ko kung paano sila mag-makeup dito.
Unang posisyon pa lang, sa Pilipinas, dapat nakatingin ka sa mirror. Sa kanila, dapat nakatingin ako dito. Tapos harapan kami in the Philippines, a Filipino makeup artist. May, ano ba yan? Ang hirap. May pwesto, may position. Position is like this, in the mirror. Looking at the mirror.
Oh, in Philippines, right?
Yes, and the makeup artist standing up like this one. Like that. Ay, bongga! Okay, bongga is like fabulous. I'm so excited. Maamoy niya yung hininga ko kasi magkatapatan kami.
This looks great. First look.
Guys, tingnan nyo yung peg nila, Nadine Lustre and Heart Evangelista. These two is very famous in the Philippines.
Oh.
Miss Heart is top 1, famous,
Top 2,
and
top 3.
Ah.
They are my cousin. No.
Kaya may semento. Itatry baguhin yung pinaka... Para akong i-injection na, para akong magbabaksin. Okay, done! This is my makeup as Heart Evangelista. Tumayo na talaga siya kasi parang kailangan ng full force.
nabago yung procedure.
Iba yung procedure kasi dapat harapan lang to na pa. Hi! Nice meeting you!
So habang mini-makeupan ako, nagpaturo na din ako ng basic Thai language. So another first time for me.
So every time you say hello, you should like
ส
bow.
วัสดีครับfor woman สวัสดีค่ะ
Sawadee
สวัส
ka.
ดีค่ะ for woman for men สวัสดีครับ
Sawadee krap.
ครับ
Kap.
ครับfor
Sawadee
men
kap.
you สวัสดีค่ะ
Sawadee ka.
thank you ขอบคุณค่ะ
What is sawadee ka?
สวัสดีค่ะก็ hi
Hi.
say hi yes เดี๋ยวฟิลิปปินส์มาบู hi
Yeah. Thank you is maraming salamat.
salamat
Salamat.
salamat
What is I love you in
I
Thai?
love you ฉันรักคุณ ฉันรักคุณ
Chan rak kun.
ฉันรักคุณไทยฉัน love รัก you คุณ
Charak kun.
คุณ yes
Charak kun.
ฉันรักคุณ
Charak kun. I will tell it to my husband later. He might thought I'm cursing at him, but it's I love you.
Habang mini-makeupan ako, dito ako may naisip gawin na another first time.
Di ba first time ko lahat dito? First time ko rin mampaprank. Kay Pat. Can we prank my secretary? You know prank? Prank. Like, it's a joke. You know that? Na in the video, I will say, it's a joke. Joke. So I will say to my secretary, I don't like the makeup, and you will be angry like, why like that? But in the end, we will just say prank. I don't like the look. And sir, it's okay.
and
Me, I didn't try it.
ไม่ครับขอบคุณนะครับ
The one. That's the one with joy. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Punch me.
Serious
No,
na?
no, no. No punch, oh. No punch.
Acting serious na.
And I will just say, but I don't like the color. No, it's not the right thing. Parang that. Okay?
Okay.
Ano? Okay.
Okay. Yung mga shot na maganda doon. Ano to sis? Kaya rin na.
Ba't parang hindi ko bet yung ano?
Ang beige siya.
Okay ako.
Ang light. Hindi ang light nga ng coverage eh. Ipantin siya ng poster.
Pati yung hair ko, hindi ko gusto. Kasi parang ano,
Hindi ba na-extend? Check muna natin.
hindi pwede ko naman
Pwede mo
sabihin.
na i-request eh.
Sir? Sir, I don't like the makeup.
Why?
But, ikaw na magsabi. It's like, and my hair also, I don't like it. Hindi ko kasi ma-English eh kung paano sabihin.
Wait lang. What
I don't like, it's like,
She
It's
wants...
like-
Let's give him a
ano?
photo that you wanted to...
I don't, it's like, ano ba naman sabihin? It's too, it's too light, it's like, my pimples still like,
She want the too thick type of makeup.
and the,
With full
no
coverage.
extension, why
Where
it's
she
like
can hide
this?
her flaws on her face. She wanted like...
ไม่ชอบผม
ไม่ชอบผม
อ้าว
อ๋อ What do you
What?
want? Thank you.
maybe like
Oh.
more volume type of hair.
Oh.
Bigger
Why?
hair.
It's like, can you change it again? All?
Shit.
Nahihirapan tayo mag-explain. Wait lang. Sasabihin ko sa kanila.
I don't like it all.
Wait lang.
Remove. Watch. Oh, Uy.
Pat! Sara mo lang to. Mga sabay, snake. This one, like, I want the, like, because my face, it's big, so I need... And the makeup, can you remove it all? Because it's too light. Sorry, I can, can we change it?
Remove.
Remove all.
Oh.
And
I
even-
think it's okay.
Is this it's okay na?
No.
Used to be
It's very simple. Hindi ka mani.
Is it possible na for thicker type of makeup? That's what she requested. Like, on camera, it would be more visible if the makeup is too light.
I want to remove all.
Remove. Oh no.
Even the hair, it start all over. Like, add more. I don't like this. Like, can we do another?
I guess mali yung term eh. Kung pwede mag-add na lang ng
I
volume.
think it's okay.
No,
Why?
I don't like.
Paano?
คลายเหรอไม่คลายไม่คลาย
Baka iba yung term.
No, I don't like.
Why you don't like
Baka iba yung term.
Ano yun? Ba't tara siya nang nagjo-joke?
Hindi, baka akala nila na hurt sila on their end na...
No, talk to her because I cannot speak English fluently, but I don't like the hair, I don't like the face. It's too... No, it's for the photo shoot.
For the photo shoot. I guess
She will be the one to explain.
I guess she wanted, give volumes lang. To make it more bigger.
No, say it. Na ulit kasi baka hindi nila anuhin.
Gusto mo mas...
Baka hindi nila ulitin.
Ipa-request ko
No,
kayo.
I
Miss
don't
Nick.
like.
Ipa-request
Can we start it all over?
ko muna kay Miss Nick.
Hindi, ikaw na wag na kay Ma'am Den kasi baka magalit.
Paano ko
Baka malam. Ikaw na, explain to them.
Ate, in-explain ko na nga. So, ang sa kanya is just added volume if she's requested.
No.
Na
Like,
to start-
I want to start all over again.
From
Is
the
it okay
beginning.
or no?
Baka naman ate, kaya natin ikapalan na lang, mag-add na lang.
But I
ng
don't
volume.
have time.
okay? I can request because I don't like it. It's like ano,
Paano ba?
I want to start all over. Erase it.
Ano naman kayang i-coverage, ate?
Erase it. Erase.
Erase talaga, ate?
No?
Baka gusto mo naman i-coverage na lang.
Sa yan.
Ano naman gusto i-coverage mo?
No, I want to erase all of
Ay,
it.
nakatime na ito. Bakla ko ng taon. Pinagpapala.
It's a prank!
Ang makasama na ugali mo para sabihin niyo don't like it.
I'm waiting for him to like, I said, he will be angry. Like, no!
Bakit ako? Walang stress mo. Sabi ko, gugo ka ate. Sige, baka na-open na sila sa...
Kahit medyo napalaban ako sa English, success ang first time prank na may kasabwat na ibang lahi. After nun, ito na yung result ng first time ko ma-makeupan at maayusan ng isang Thai makeup artist.
Sobrang natural lang. Ipapakita ko kasi sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang perfect niya para ako naging nanay sa mga K-drama. Hindi ko syempre masabing bida kasi day. Ang ganda, sobrang natural yung ano. First time ko na make-upan, first time ko na bihisan, first time ko ditong naayusan ng buhok. At ngayon, first time ko magpo-photoshoot.
Yes, first time ko magpa-photoshoot sa ibang bansa. Dahil sa first time ever ko din na international endorsement. Ito nga pala yung Snake brand. Based in Thailand sila at kinuha nila akong endorser para sa mga promotional ads nila sa Pilipinas.
I hope we have a lot of sales after this.
Sa sobrang tagal ma-edit nitong vlog, na-upload na nila sa Instagram yung mga picture dito sa photoshoot. Pero ipapakita ko pa din sa inyo kasi why not?
Oy! Hindi nyo kinaya. Ay, hindi nakaintindi. Very good, very good. So guys, ang galing dito kasi habang ginagawa siya, ini-edit na nila. So nakikita na nila dito, tingnan nyo dun guys. Nakikita na nila i-pink yung lipstick, i-ano yung oil sa mukha. May nag-isang test shot lang kami and then nakita na niya yung mga gusto niyang mapabago. At ang gusto niyang baguhin, sad to say, yung model.
Final cover, hold on, we don't need it anymore. Close the tab, let's get out 조용한 곳으로 들어.
Dahil nga first time ko na mag-shoot dito, dapat dito ko rin gagawin yung mga first time ko na mga posts.
And let you know what they do you. No one better than you.
Ano ba yung produktong binibenta ko?
Let you know what they
Guys, hindi alak to.
let you know. Let you can know you.
Thank you so much!
Ngayon naman, gusto ko maranasan mag-commute dito sa Thailand. Kaya itatry ko ang kanilang famous tok-tok. First time ko magtutok-tok. Para lang naman siyang tricycle sa Pilipinas. Ang kinaibahan lang, pwede siya sa highway at ang tunog din, parang Ferrari. So mga bibis, kakainin namin ngayon dito sa Thailand yung mga hindi pa namin nakain sa Pinas or sa ano bang panig ng mundo.
How much? 1.
So ang una natin kakainin ngayon ng aming team ay itong suso.
Kapong ka.
Ay, wow!
Okay, mainit pa, no?
Eh, oh. Kasama siya sa ilahin mo. Yan, ganun pala siya.
Okay, so meron na ako.
Solid. Dinosaur naman. Dinosaur? May dinosaur?
Anong may dinosaur? Sira ako, ba't tagal na nung wala?
Ay, ito.
Oh my God! No way! So, tinanong ko siya guys kung okay ba to kainin. Sabi niya, you can eat it all. It's okay daw.
Ano to? Ay, puta ka ni Scorpion? Totoong Scorpion to? Ito po, ay Scorpion King. Pang, ping. Pang, go. Bars, pati yung ano, kinain mo. Ay, ako! Natusok siya. Ulo nga ako! Gagi, pumapalag pa. Sarap!
Stop.
Talagang may mga taong pumupunta rito para sa ganyan, for the experience, no? Hindi siya yung parang something na... So imagine mo, pagod na pagod ka galing ng trabaho, pag uwi mo sa...
Ito naman dyan umuwi. Yan yung exotic dyan.
Pagod na pagod ka galing trabaho, tapos pag uwi mo, tanong ka sa asawa mo anong ulam. Sasabihin mo sa asawa mo, ay magot ko yung ulam.
Hindi naman allergic sila eh. Pabat sila? Wala.
Uy, hindi na kayo allergic dito.
Allergic din ako dun.
Hindi na.
Wala.
Isa lang. Wala, hindi.
Ito mo yung itim.
Hindi yan hayop. Isa lang, isa lang. Okay, guys.
Oh.
One, two, three, go. Masarap.
Ayaw na ito. Hoy, nasan yung sa'yo? Nasa kamay mo. Pakita mo yung kamay mo. Huwag may bubulsa. Pakita mo.
Gagi, masarap.
So, sabay tayong dalawa. Dito,
Puputok sa loob yung ano niya, basa niya.
Pina-describe mo pa kasi.
Ano ka naman?
Gagi, okay. Okay nga.
Boss ng karne. Tinapon mo eh.
Ha?
Ano na?
Pre, aalaga ako to, pre.
Oh.
Dadaling ko sa Pinas to.
One. Two. Nguya.
Muya! Ulam! Muya!
Nguya.
Muya! Masarap-sarap.
Okay, next.
What the fuck is this? Parang kaya pa manakit nito. Parang kaya kong ano, kaya bang makatake. Tingnan mo naman ang memory. Parang pagkagat mo sa loob. Si Papa. Hello po, picture po. Ay, basta kakain po kayo. Okay, sige
Okay, cheers.
Parang normal lang. Okay, din. Ano ka ba?
Huwag mo na lang tignan.
Ang lasa.
Para siyang, ipis.
Hindi, matabang.
Pumuputok din sa bunganga yung laman niya.
Parang kagagaling na sa kanal nito.
Cheers! There you go.
Nguya. Yung ipis lumilipad. Yung ipis gusto ko mawala.
Ano yan?
Jumping hipon.
Ano nangyayari?
Buhay siya, tumatalon siya, tapos kailangan mo isubo habang tumatalon. Oo nga, tingnan mo. Ayan di ba, kinukuha.
Ano yung kakainin ng buhay? Sarap niya na. Ayan na! Sasandok na si ate! Get this. This one, they're hiding. They've been there for 3 years. They're getting big, oh. They're having a family over there. Utang ina, wala kayong takas. Yung pamilya natin!
So ayan guys, tumatalon na sila. Ay! How? Bilis na, talon na! Bilis! Wow! Jumping ship. Patay. Ay! Mantutiga. Sobrang kakaibang experience kumain ng kung ano-ano dito sa Thailand. Pero, sobrang nag-enjoy ako, pati na din sa mga iba pang first time ko na naranasan dito. Sobrang nakakatuwa lang din na kahit papaano, na-challenge ko yung sarili ko to experience new things na hindi ko karaniwang ginagawa sa araw-araw. At sa dinami-dami kong na-experience na first time dito, di ko inaasahan na magkakaroon pa ako ng isang sobrang espesyal na first time.
Sobrang taas, hindi ko carry. Hindi ko carry. Wag, sis, nakakatakot.
Sir! Sis, paano mo na isagot sa press conference?
How do you feel as the newest endorser po?
I'm very thankful and grateful.
May
May surprise pa kami. Nandiyan si Tito Rolly!
Nung una pa, nalilito ako kasi ang nakita ko gano'n. Nagpa-bridal shower si Snake Brand. Pagtingin ko sa mga mukha kayo. In-explain ko ba dito? Ewan ko kung ba't may press con. Siguro dahil dito sa Thailand. Nagustuhan yung shoot ko.
Tito Resi!
Hoy!
Ate Ali!
Ay, ngayon ko na nag-ibang banso.
Naiyak ako kaso naman.
Oh, sino pa bang nandiyan para sa Guys, thank you so much! Ano gagawin? Let's party! Thank you, everyone!
Still remember how you sound and the way you calm me down when we went behind the bar, taking what we thought was ours. Those nights when you wake up after thinking it's a dream, now it's just a memory. I've been waiting for your call ever since that summer, waiting for your call. No, you know my number, waiting for your call. Winter, summer, spring, or fall, I'll be waiting for your call. I'll be waiting for your call. Didn't ask you what's your name, and the fun we had is to blame. There was just no time for small talk. I was busy in your arms, love, frustrated to this day.